Here is how I'd clone Jesse. Not only is it going to update its information about the clone in real time, but it's also going to do outreach to builders. It's going to give out grants. It's going to do due diligence, and it's going to optimize it. So it's going to self-learn and get better and better the more the system's used. Of course, we're going to go for a multi-agent system approach, but I think we're going to do it in a far superior way. And to just give you a bit of context, we've been working on decentralized networks of different agents that can communicate and collaborate the same way humans would. So instead of being more like a workflow or more like a hierarchical system where you just have one agent that looks over everything, the way we do it is a bit more graph-like. So what this allows for is, as you see, you can have one agent that sort of interfaces with the dashboard you want, and this kind of communicates to the high-level management team. So you have the sort of CEOs like we would in human companies. Then each one of these CEOs would manage a separate team. So we have one team for outreach. So each one of these agents would be involved with outreaching people on these platforms, setting up meetings. You have another agent here that actually listens to the transcript of the meetings, sends it back to the manager, so it has some sort of feedback loop. The other team we have is the knowledge-based management system. So this would be more about updating the clones. So the outreach agents kind of have some understanding of what you're talking about, what you care about. So we do have like a research and development one that's looking into all the best trends in the spaces. We have a cloning agent that's constantly looking at you, seeing, okay, like, what things do you care about now? Like, how is your sort of tone changing? And then you go to the knowledge management agent, which is kind of updating all these files constantly. Then we go to the search PM. So here, as you see, you've got a team of researchers, so they can go through the GitHub, the LinkedIn, the Google search, however many we want. And this is basically, if you find a builder that you like, we're going to do some background checks on them. And kind of after we have all this information about what you like, about the meeting, about the background checks, we're going to have our grant reasoning agent. So this one's going to do some sort of reasoning to think, okay, is this good to go forward with? And it's going to look at all the past grants, like, okay, when they had this sort of data set, it went to this. When they had this one, it went to that. And then based on that, we'll give some sort of grant equipped with base. And the really cool thing about it being like a decentralized network is if the outreach agent performs so much better, we can put more weights in the outreach PM to say, okay, focus more on X. Or a new social media comes out, the optimizer says, okay, actually, let's bring a new LinkedIn outreacher. And then this doesn't even have to be the only type of thing. We can have more safety agents, stuff like that. This is just to say, like, it's a really flexible network.